Did you know that your body harbors a substance that can dissolve razor blades? Yes, you heard right. It's an astonishing fact that the stomach acid within us, known as hydrochloric acid, holds such potency that it could dissolve something as sturdy as metal. This corrosive component plays a vital role in the process of digestion, breaking down the food we eat into simpler substances. But don't worry, this acid doesn't harm us. Wondering how? Well, that's thanks to the unsung hero in this story, our stomach lining. This lining acts as a protective shield, safeguarding us from the potent acid. It's a marvel of our body's design that the cells in our stomach lining renew themselves every few days. This constant renewal process is what prevents the acid from eating through it, keeping us safe and sound. So even though it's strong enough to dissolve a razor blade, rest assured your stomach isn't eating itself. Speaking of incredible body facts, did you know your heart could fill a swimming pool? It's true. And it's all in a day's work for this tireless organ. Let's dive into the heart of the matter. The human heart, about the size of your clenched fist, is a relentless machine. Day in and day out, it pumps approximately 2,000 gallons of blood non-stop. That's about the amount of water it would take to fill a small fish tank every minute or a standard bathtub every hour. Imagine that. Your heart is filling a bathtub with blood every hour, but it doesn't stop there. Over an average lifespan, which we'll consider to be around 80 years, this adds up to a staggering amount. Picture this: over 1 million bathtubs filled to the brim. Or, to give you an even more dramatic visual, about 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. That's right, your heart, over your lifetime, pumps enough blood to fill not 1 but 2 Olympic-sized swimming pools. And why all this pumping, you might wonder? Well, each beat of your heart sends this vital fluid coursing through your veins, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every cell in your body. From your brain to your toes, every part of you relies on the heart's ceaseless work. Without it, life simply wouldn't be possible. It's not just a matter of volume either. Your heart adjusts its rate and force of contraction depending on your body's needs. When you're asleep, it slows down. When you're running, it speeds up. It's a meticulously calibrated system, always responding, always adjusting, and always keeping you alive. So, the next time you feel your pulse, remember the monumental task your heart is performing. It's not just a beat in your chest. It's a testament to the marvel of human biology. So while it might not look like it, your heart is doing a lot more work than you might imagine. Ever wonder why you can see so clearly? It's all thanks to the fastest muscle in your body. Now hold that thought for a moment. Let's take a quick journey into the fascinating world of our eyes. We often take our blink for granted, but it's far from a simple reflex. Blinking is the fastest movement in the human body, a feat accomplished by the orbicularis oculi muscle. Each blink is a lightning-fast operation, lasting about 1/10 of a second. In the time it takes to blink, a hummingbird flaps its wings twice. Just imagine that. But why do we blink? Well, it's not just to win staring contests. Blinking serves a crucial role in maintaining the health and functionality of our eyes. Every blink is essentially a mini-spa treatment for our peepers. It cleans, moisturizes, and nourishes the eyes, keeping them in tip-top shape for all the seeing we do. When we blink, our eyelids spread a mixture of oils and mucus secreted by glands in the eyelid across the surface of the eye. This concoction is like a nourishing smoothie for our eyes, keeping them moist and comfortable. If we didn't blink, our eyes would dry out, leading to discomfort and potentially damaging our vision. Blinking also serves as a first line of defense against all the irritants that our eyes come in contact with every day. Dust, smoke, and even bright light can cause harm to our eyes. But thanks to our rapid-fire blinking, these irritants are quickly swept away before they can cause any trouble. So, there you have it. Blinking, the fastest movement in the body, is not only a marvel of speed but also a key player in maintaining our vision. It's a constant reminder of the intricate and fascinating ways our body works to keep us functioning at our best. So the next time you blink, give a nod to the speediest muscle in your body. Finally, did you know that your body is a star factory? Quite an intriguing notion, isn't it? But it's not just a poetic metaphor, it's a scientific reality. The human body, in its intricate complexity, is indeed made up of stardust. Each of us is a unique constellation of atoms, the majority of which were formed in the heart of stars that exploded billions of years ago. These stars, in their fiery death throes, spewed out these atoms into the cosmos. Over time, these atoms coalesced to form our planet, and eventually us. So how does this happen? Stars are essentially nuclear factories. They fuse lighter elements like hydrogen and helium into heavier ones under extreme temperature and pressure. When a star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity and then explodes in a brilliant supernova. This event is so powerful that it creates and disperses elements heavier than iron across the universe. These elements, from carbon to oxygen to iron, are the building blocks of life as we know it. They are the very stuff that makes up our bones, our blood, our brains. To think that the atoms that constitute us once resided in the heart of a star, millions of light years away, is nothing short of awe-inspiring. This cosmic connection we share is not just fascinating, but it also provides a profound perspective. It reminds us of our place in the universe, our connection to all things, and the grandeur of our existence. We are not merely passengers on this earth, we are an integral part of the fabric of the cosmos. So the next time you gaze up at the stars, remember you're looking at a part of yourself. You're not just a human being, you're a little piece of the cosmos. This is your story, our story, the story of the universe. It's a tale written in every atom, every cell, and every strand of our DNA. So remember, you're not just a human being, you're a little piece of the cosmos.